I will show you how I got a business card with no income and no business. Most people believe that you need to have a business to get cards of this tier, but that's not the case. After some research online, I realized you can apply for a business credit card as a sole proprietor and technically get one just with no business. In this case, you're gonna apply with your social security number instead of an LLC tax identification number. This intrigued me as I didn't really have a business at the time. Now, while I do say you don't need a business technically, it is a good idea to have some sort of side hustle income outside of your regular 9-to-5 job. This could be anything from flipping things on Facebook Marketplace, walking dogs, or maybe doing some weekend help like moving or something like that. These examples basically state that you have some sort of business income outside of your regular income. While I don't necessarily have a business, I treat this YouTube channel like a business since I've already bought some lights, camera equipment, and microphone, so I want to get some rewards for that. When you apply for business credit cards, you need to put your projected revenue on the application, and since this YouTube channel does not generate any revenue, I'm just going to estimate what it will be since this is the business that I'm going to be using when I apply for the card. So what's the big deal with the Chase Inc. Unlimited and Chase Inc. Cash? Well, let's take a closer look and figure out what's going on. The Chase Inc. Unlimited is a $0 annual fee credit card that earns 1.5% cash back on all purchases, just like the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So what's so special then? Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me explain this. Like I said earlier, you're gonna get 1.5% cash back, which is 1.5% Chase Ultimate Rewards points back. As you may know already, these two cards come with a 90,000 point sign-up bonus, or like $900 of Chase Ultimate Rewards points. This bonus is worth $900 on paper, but if you transfer to transfer partners or have some sort of other way to do that, like through the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you can get up to $2,000 of value. That's a pretty insane sign-up bonus, like $2,000 of value, guys. This sign-up bonus doesn't come too easy though. You're gonna need to spend $6,000 in 3 months. So I don't spend $6,000 in 3 months regularly, so I'm gonna have a plan. I'll show you exactly what I'll do. This does make sense as many businesses do spend tens of thousands of dollars on materials, fuel, other things for your business, goods, you know. So my plan to hit that $6,000 limit is to use this card for all purchases. It's not necessarily a bad idea to use your business card for your personal purchases, as there's nothing really stating that's not allowed. I'm just gonna be doing it for the sign-up bonus. So of that $6,000, I plan on spending about $3,000 on just regular spending, like clothes, groceries, other stuff like that. And then that other $3,000 is gonna come from one-time expenses that I will spend on this business. The last of the spend, if I can't hit $6,000 with this, will go towards Amazon gift cards, as it does count, and I basically treat Amazon gift cards like cash. Guys, please note, I am not changing my spending habits. I'm not going out and buying more things, more clothes, more food. Everything will stay the same. I'm just purely going to be spending on one-time business purchases, regular spending, and Amazon gift cards to cover the rest. This is completely okay. I will have the entire bonus covered now, and I'm really excited to get that point. Now, what else does this card really have to offer? So you can get employee cards if you have employees. These can be issued at no additional cost, which is really nice to have. Just like most of the Chase credit cards, you can get primary rental car insurance. Just note, this card does not come with any trip cancellation or delay insurance. You'll also get purchase protection and extended warranty protection, but not cell phone protection. Okay, so I'm so excited. Let's apply and see what happens. Okay guys, we're in my office now. Let's go ahead and apply. We're gonna go ahead and put in the owner for the authorizing officer, as I am a sole proprietor. This means you're gonna put a social security number, obviously put your name, date of birth. Social security number is what I'm gonna put in here. And then address is just gonna be my home address, because that's where my business is operating out of. And let's scroll down here and take a look. So total gross income. This is just gonna be your personal income outside the business. So this is like what you currently make without the business. So I do have a job, and I'll put whatever I make from my job in there. This is separate from the business. We're gonna get to that in just a second. Scrolling down, here we go, business legal structure. We're gonna go ahead and put sole proprietorship, because that's what I'm doing. You can put LLC or anything else if that's what your business is. And business legal name for sole prop is gonna be my name. So Jake Mercier is my name. And desired business name on the card, it's also gonna be Jake Mercier. I see these do double print, so it's gonna say Jake Mercier and then Jake Mercier under, again, on the physical card itself, but It's what happens when you have a sole proprietorship. We're gonna go back down here and see social security number because that's what I'm gonna be using. So the business's physical address is most likely gonna be your home address. If you do have something else going on, maybe you can put that, but for a sole prop, I'm gonna put my home address. So for business start date, you wanna have something between 1 to 3 years long. They just wanna see more of a established business instead of like, I don't know, like an NFT trader from 1 month ago, if that makes sense. Nothing against NFTs, but it's just short business, like 1 month. Here's where you're gonna put your annual business revenue. So for my business, I don't have any revenue, which is totally okay. You're gonna put the projected revenue. You can put the projected revenue, it's totally okay. And then business categories, this is pretty self-explanatory. And business type, I think it just kind of goes in those categories. Estimated monthly spend, so this is something that you're gonna estimate whatever you think you're gonna spend with the business. And then employee card, self-explanatory. Okay guys, it is time. I'm gonna fill this out myself and I'll show you at the bottom what happens. Here we go, ready? I'm so excited. Okay, so we have filled everything out. This is the moment of truth, everyone. I'm gonna hit submit and you're gonna see it live. Here we go, ready? We're waiting. Let's see what happens. This is taking a while, so, well. Oh, I got approved, everyone. Okay, so I got approved, guys. I got approved for $5,000 credit line. That's awesome news. And we're gonna go ahead and enroll in Chase Business Online. That looks pretty simple. And then paperless, that's pretty much it. And then agree and continue. So that's it, guys. That is exactly how you do the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited application. I'm so excited to use this card, get that bonus. And thanks for watching the video and hope you guys all have a good day. Bye.